What's up, guys? Today I got my brand new husky axes. This is splitting and just pretty much cutting. This one's a 1.25 pound. Yeah. This one's 4.5 pounds. And then I got these gloves. Okay. They have really good grip. And cool thing about these, you can use your phone with these too. These have rubber grips. And they come with a little thing to, little guard to the blade. I'm gonna be using this one right now. I'm gonna show you. So yeah, come on. Come on.
I can't come any closer.
Alright, so first I'm thinking that maybe we should take all these things out, and then we'll go with that.
Kaylee, could you move?
Come on.
I can't come that close.
Alright. Here, hold on, guys.
Okay, it's good. This is good enough, Elijah. Elijah, this is good enough.
Then zoom in a little bit. Alright? You got it?
Got it.
Wait, hold on. Can you come here to hold this for me?
Here goes Nanny to hold it.
Can you just hold that for me? Hold as tight as you can. That's one piece. Haley, go bring it over there. Sure. Alright. Over here. Can I hold it? Please. Oh, we're gonna have to break that one. Alright, watch out.
That's another piece. Piece number 3.
Haley!
Give it to Nanny. Give it to Nanny.
Okay. Number 3. Where'd it go? Wait, hold on a second.
You're licensed for this, right? I know you are.
Yeah. That's 2.
How about that? Let me click on that. Well, how about this one?
That's what he's taking down.
That's 3.
Shh.
Okay.
That's 4.
That doesn't count. Kaylee, just bring that stuff. Oh. Alright. No,
Okay, ready?
No, I don't need you for this one. This one's thick enough. Alright, ready? Here we go.
Want Nanny to hold it, Elijah?
I asked him. He said no.
Okay. Shh. Here goes Elijah cutting down the tree.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't go in your mouth, right? That's the worst part.
Want to use the bigger one, Elijah?
Let Kaylee come over here with the camera.
Gee.
Get closer.
I can get closer.
He's zooming in. No, I want you to move around. I want you to move around.
I did.
Yes, you have to. This whole part of the video. Don't come down.
You want to get the big one?
Where?
The big axe?
It's a splitting axe. I guess. I'll go that if you want. We could try. It's not gonna. It might not work too good. Go get it. Kaylee.
What's that one? A regular axe?
It's just right here. There's Husky makes bigger versions of these. Basically, these.
You're
this
still
is what
on.
They're meant for. They're meant for cutting down trees. Husky does make bigger ones for cutting down bigger trees.
So your big one is a splitting axe. This is a regular axe.
The one I have though, that one's a That's a splitting axe. They make different
And this is a regular axe?
This is a regular axe. They make this. I think they make one more. I think they make one that's just 1 pound. I think that's one more smaller than this one. And then I believe, I'm not sure. I think they go up to 8 pounds for these. Ones that you can cut trees with.
This is only a baby. Go ahead.
This is all I need for down here.
Okay, go ahead.
This is all I'm going to be taking down for firewood. Because this is all going to be firewood.
For firewood. Here it goes. There it goes. Down. Good job, Elijah.
Hold on. Don't put it up yet.
Nope.
Haley! Come on.
Where is it?
Don't worry about it. Just come over here.
Got it.
You knocked it down halfway when I was gone. I'm gonna help. You miss it every time. Oh, come on, Haley. Well, trophy
There-
number 2.
There it is. Trophy number 2. Drag it on, Elijah.
Okay,
I'll get you. Can you come in?
There's another one.
Trophy number 2. Come on.
Come on. Get it on stuff. Come on. Come on.
Get his thing.
No. Nanny,
Yes.
get that piece.
She is. Go ahead. We're
Come
on
on.
YouTube. Go ahead, pull it.
You got it?
Yeah. I gotta walk.
Alright, here. Hold this. This could be yours, Haley. Because now they have these. That way you have 2 pair and I have 2 pair.
Wait, where's the other one like that?
This is Elijah's tree. He cut down the second tree.
Where's the one that
I don't have it.
I can't.
in my room?
Where's the first tree?
Did you find this in my room?
No. The other one's in my room.
Okay.
That's 2 trees.
Hold on. Move, Kaylee. There's the first tree.
There's second tree. Hey, whoa.
And there's the second tree. All right, Elijah. Anything else you gotta say?
You can find some limbs over there.
Anything else you gotta say to them? I'm gonna shut it off.
What? We could do another tree, or we can cut.
That's good.
Alright. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.